Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
The grass ain't green on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Okay guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a kawaii inspired haul, and this is going to be stuff from Shein as well as AliExpress. I didn't get enough items from Shein to make a whole Shein haul, and I didn't get enough stuff from AliExpress to do a whole AliExpress haul either. So I'm just going to combine these two into one video because I'm not planning on shopping on either site in the near future. So I kind of just want to get everything open and used and all of that stuff. So let's get right into this one. Okay, this is my little Shein package. I'm always scared of using this. I love using this because it's so satisfying, but I'm scared of using it at the same time because I'm scared that I'm gonna like rip a hole into something, which I have definitely done before. So we have this little bag here. Again, there's really not that many things in here. Okay. This has actually been sitting around for quite a while. I was like, maybe I should just wait until I have enough things to haul before I open it. So this has been sitting around for a while. By the way, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into this video. Okay, the first thing is a sweater. And I feel like sometimes with Shein and AliExpress, their stuff is kind of like interchangeable. Sometimes I see things from Shein on AliExpress and vice versa. So honestly, you could get these items on either site. It doesn't really matter. This is a really cute hoodie that reminded me of Japan. And I do have a lot of hoodies, but I couldn't pass this one up. And I honestly feel like hoodies are one of those things that you can never have too many of them, especially here where I live. The climate that I live in, it's like always cold, and like it's not cold right now. Bad example, like today is actually so nice. We're getting like a Chinook right now. Everything's been kind of warm lately, but you guys know what I mean. Like our winters are cold normally, so I like having a good selection of hoodies, and this one was so cheap. This was only like $16, and it is a Japanese Tokyo inspired hoodie. This is actually the back of the hoodie, which is really cool. The back is the part with the design, and then the front is actually just a plain purple hoodie. I did pick out this color because I thought it was really cute, and it kind of went really well with the back because the back is almost like a sunset. So I thought that that would look really good with the purple versus like getting this in, you know, like white or something like that. Although the white would make it stand out a lot more, I do love it in the purple. I do have a lot of purple clothes. Next thing that I picked up, okay, we'll go with this next. And these I'm probably going to use right away as well. These are just coasters. I actually thought about this right now. I actually don't have a coffee table. So do I really need these? Kind of, okay? Because when you put your glass on a surface, doesn't matter which surface it is, it's gonna leave like a little ring, which is annoying, especially if you're drinking like cold water or something. And I could use these on my table. There is definitely a theme to this order for sure. So there's 2 of them in here, one for me and one for Andy. And these are cherry blossoms, obviously. It's just crazy. Like I still think about my Japan trip, and I have serious withdrawals, and I definitely want to go back there at some point in time because I love Japan. I think Japan is an amazing place to visit, and I got so lucky. I went there during cherry blossom season, which was so special. So my little coasters look like this. They're so cute. They are silicone, and if you are looking for like random kitchen things, Shein has a lot of these, and I think that these were only like $1 something or like $2 at most, and they're actually really nice, like really good quality, and they're so cute. I'm actually eyeing up some cherry blossom cushions on AliExpress right now because the ones I have on my sofa are from Dollrama. They're like pretty flat. Not like the cherry blossom one would be any better, but or like bigger size or anything like that, but the ones I have are snowflakes, and we're going into spring. I don't want snowflakes. I want cherry blossom everything. So that is that. There's literally only a few other things in here. This is such a tiny like mini haul. Okay, the next thing is also Japan inspired. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I wanted one of these for my jacket, just like my jean jacket. I have to go actually find my jean jacket because I don't have any with me here, but I really like wearing denim jackets and stuff like that in the springtime, so I think that this pin would look so cute on them, and they're little sushis with a thing of popcorn. It's so cute. And I don't pin things to like my backpack or anything, if you guys were wondering. Like I usually save stuff like this for jean jackets and denim. Got another pin, and I thought that this was so adorable. This is so me, and I would like to wear more like brooches. I just did a haul on Stationery, and I have a blazer that this is just gonna look so cute on the little collar up here. Oh, it's so adorable. I love anything lavender. Honestly, these Shein pieces, their brooches and all of their stuff is so affordable, and they look really good. Like these are looking like something that you would get at a boutique for like $60, but they are literally like $1 something. These are so cute. Okay, I got these maple leaf earrings obviously because I'm Canadian and I wanted maple leaf earrings. The bottom one likes to like flip over, but they do look like that. They are so cute, and I don't have anything like this in my earring collection. They are just, this is just a color that I don't normally get. I don't normally get this like topaz burnt orange looking crystals. Like I usually stick to either clear stones like what I'm wearing right now. These are Chanel inspired earrings. I usually do like just the diamonds or like pink or purple, but yeah, that is really, really cute, and I've wanted those for a while, and I've definitely seen those on AliExpress. Next thing I got was a toque. You guys, toques on Shein, they are so cheap. They're like around $3, $2 to $3, and they are actually really good quality. I don't like them for days when it's -20 outside though. They're not like the warmest toques, but just think of getting toques and stuff like this from Walmart. You're basically getting the same thing. These are just the plain like acrylic toques. They're not, like, again, they're not going to keep you super warm if it's -20, but if there's a day where it's like -2 to -10 or like -15 even, these are pretty good, and they do keep my head pretty warm in those temperatures, just nothing above -20. And I do really like the fact that they all have these embroidered things on them on Shein, and they're actually embroidered. They're not just like hot stamped on or anything like that. I do love this, and I think it's so cute. I have a purple one as well. So that is all that I got from Shein. Very, very mini haul. So I'm just gonna basically show you guys what I picked up from AliExpress as well in this video. I picked up a few really cute pieces and stuff I've been wanting for a while. So this first thing right here is an Airpods case, and you guys know I collect these. Why does it say Airpods? Okay, it says AirPods Pro 2. I have the AirPods 1 too. I think I mentioned in a previous AliExpress haul, if you guys want to see a AirPods case collection, then please let me know. I don't know if that's something that's very like something you would do back in 2020, but I have so many AirPods cases and they are like the cutest. I love AirPods cases. So this right here, does this look familiar? I don't know. I feel like there is a theme to this haul. I feel like Japan is the theme to this haul, and I'm like in the back of my mind just like telling myself I need to go back to Japan, so I'm buying like pieces that remind me of Japan. But this right here is like one of those fish cakes that you get in your ramen, and I totally had one of these in fried rice when I was in Japan. And I'm not a huge fan of fish or cooked fish other than sushi. I absolutely love sushi, but when it comes to things that actually smell fishy and, you know, cooked fish and stuff, I hate that. I hate that. So I'm not like the hugest fan of these fish cakes because they are made out of like fish paste. But that fried rice was so bomb. It was like one of these hole in the wall back in some alley type restaurant, and I adored it. So yeah, this looks like the fish cake emoji. These fish cakes will always just remind me of that experience. It's so funny because it was like a rainy day and I got to see capybaras. It's just, I'm like reliving my Japan trip in my head, for real. Okay, cannot open this. Same with this as well, which is like a keychain, like the fish cake keychain, and it does have this as well, so you can actually attach it to the side of your AirPods case, which is a lot cuter and a lot better than what normally comes with these. Are like these really bad quality carabiner clips that I never use. So I do like this a whole lot better, and it's so cute. I cannot wait to put my AirPods in that. Next thing, I got a little purse charm slash, I don't know what this is, but like, I don't know what you call it, but I do really love the brand Jellycat. I do have like a couple Jellycat plushies, but Jellycat is so expensive. They are a brand from the UK, and they do like these really cute food plushies with faces, and I think that they're adorable, but they're pretty expensive. I have like a mushroom from them that was like $30. So they released a sushi one, and I was like, I'm not about to pay $30 for that. I'm really not. And I found it on AliExpress. For the most part, Jellycat stuff you can actually find on AliExpress. You can find like the off-brand Jellycat, if that makes sense. But even the ramen, they also have the ramen bowl for like $12, and the original Jellycat is like $60. So yeah. This is what the sushi looks like. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know if I'm going to hang it from a purse or something. I feel like that's maybe a bit tacky. I might just keep this like on my computer desk, or I don't know, on my windowsill. It is the cutest. And it also comes with one of these as well, so you can attach this to your purse or backpack or whatever the case may be. Okay, wow, there's only three more things in here. Okay. So I was really sad because my badge reel actually broke, and I was surprised on how quickly it broke. These usually last me a year or two with daily use. They get used every day. Literally when I'm at work, I'm using my badge reel to like tap into like everything. So these, you know, get abused quite a bit. So I'm not surprised that it broke, but I was really sad about it, and I wanted to repurchase it. And these are actually really cheap on AliExpress. So if you are looking for a badge reel for work, you're looking for something cute, you work in healthcare, and you want something that you can, you know, like swipe in and out of. So it's like building access and stuff like that. You swipe in and out, and you can just like pull this bottom part out. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So this was one of my favorite badge reels, and it broke, and I was really upset about it. I do have another one that broke that I want to repurchase as well, which is like a ice cream, and this just says coffee scrubs and rubber gloves, and it is a Starbucks cup that's in glitter. It is so cute. I had to like repurchase this one again. I was really sad when mine broke. Like, it broke within, I think, like 2 months of having it on my badge, which is really sad, and that really says something about the quality, but I don't care. It was $2. Next thing that I got was more stuff for my LV agenda, and I wanted more stickers for it. I am just realizing that these might be too big. They might be too big because I usually stick these on like the month. So if there's like, you know, the top, ooh, I just dropped that. Okay. So I usually basically stick these on months and stuff like that, or I don't know, I sometimes decorate my agenda with these, but I got really cute, like aesthetic looking stickers. This one is so cute. I am dropping these everywhere, you guys. I am seriously dropping these everywhere, but I got like just these aesthetic looking stickers. I do have a lot of food ones, and I wanted more like just like different designs and stuff like that. They're really cute. So these, again, super inexpensive. If you are looking for cute stickers to decorate, like say your water bottle or something with, check AliExpress. They do have a ton. And then last but not least, this is probably my favorite thing in this whole video, and I've been wanting this for a while. It is another Jellycat plushie, and this one is a cake. It is like a birthday cake. So it even has a candle sticking up out of the top. This is really good quality, you guys. It is so soft. If you've ever bought any plushies from Miniso, this is just very much similar, like similar in softness and plushness and all that. And it does have some embroidered sprinkles on the top. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I know, I'm such a child with my plushies. I love them. They're cute and they're comforting, and you know, if I'm like laying on the sofa or something and I want something to like hug and I'm trying to take a nap, these, like, why not? So that is pretty much all for this kawaii inspired AliExpress and Shein haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.
I let you deeper than